Welcome back to our exploration of competitive floral art. Today we are clearing up one of the most common points of confusion on the judging bench: the difference between using a structure and executing a defined structural design. While both utilize custom frameworks, their purpose and dominance in the final arrangement are entirely different. Let's first look at what it means to use a structure. In this context, the structure is fundamentally a mechanic. It acts as the physical support for your botanical materials, replacing traditional mechanics like foam or a kenzan. While the structure can be beautifully crafted and visible, it does not dominate the overall visual weight. The armature serves the flowers, acting as a tool to execute another distinct style. Now, let's look at the official structural design style. In this category, the constructed framework steps into the spotlight as the primary visual element and the undeniable focus of the composition. Plant material takes a secondary role. Flowers and foliage are used strictly to enhance, accent, or soften the lines of the structure. If you removed all the fresh material, the base should still stand alone as art. When deciding how to approach your competition piece, remember this simple rule of thumb. When using a structure, the framework supports the plant material. In a structural style, the plant material supports the framework. Mastering this balance ensures your entry meets the strict criteria of modern floral art schedules. Happy designing!